Hey guys, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with another video today. And today we are going to take a look at another case for your iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this one is by Crave. And Crave has been one of our features and one of our reviews in the past, and they have decided to send over some cases for your iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we're going to talk about it today. But before we get into it, if you can please like, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for all the support. And thank you for being here with me in 2025. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So, as I mentioned before, this is a review of 3 cases from Crave. Now, these cases cost $20 each, and you can find them on Amazon right now for that price. And I'm sure you can, get some discounts and just check out if there's potential discounts. I'll have a link below so you can go directly to the location on the website where these are located. So today we have 3 cases in 3 different colors. So we have the navy, which is right here. We have the berry case, which is right here, and then we have the sand case. So they offer a multitude of colors, but I got 3 that I thought we would like to review and look nice to me. Now, just a short just description and details of these cases. These are ultra slim designs. Okay, they are shock absorption. They have very good shock absorption, and it's very premium quality. And these are precise cutouts. So if you have the 16 Pro Max, more than likely these won't work with the 15 Pro Max, because in the 16 Pro Max you got the camera cutout. But you already know that we're getting into the second year of this iPhone 16 Pro Max, going into the 17. So just keep that in mind whenever you're ordering these cases. Well, another thing we're going to talk about today, we're going to decide if these cases, 1, are worth the money, which is only $20. 2, if they're able to have great magnetic, using a magnetic charger. We're going to see if we're going to have good suction with that. And then we're going to see if there's any obstructions with the wireless charging of these. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it and let's not stop talking about it. And we're going to unbox the first one, which is the navy. So in the box, you just have this little piece and you have your casing. So we're going to put that aside, and here it is. Looks pretty good. And then you just slip it on up here. And then this is what we got. So this is the navy, and this is kind of ultra slim profile. It is not as thin as some of the truly thin cases like this one, which I reviewed before, this Binks just light case, where it's just carbon fiber, but it still does keep it very slim profile. And just right off the first grip, you have this grip right here on the blue part right here, and you're able to grip it with some confidence. And then obviously you got your camera cut out here. The buttons on the side are very clicky, very sensitive. Oops, let me pull out my wallet there. Got your power button covered. You got your hotkey button covered, your volume covered. With the camera, you still have great adequate protection. That lip is protecting that camera housing, so you're not going to experience any cracks or anything, unless it goes directly into the camera cutout. And then you got the Crave wording down here. You got this black part, which is just full rubber, so you got the lip of protection. And then if you look even closer, you can see that it is covered. So just by the first look of it, and then the feel and the grip of this, this is adequately protected. So I really like this one. And let's go ahead and test to see if our Magsafe is Magsafing, or if it's good. So I got my little anchor stand here that I reviewed in the past, so you can check that video out. And we have a little kind of multi-function suction right here to see if it can keep up with it and be on the stand. All right. So as you can see, it's on there. Charges, all that above. no blockage. And then when I'm shaking it here, getting, some pretty good magnetic charge to it. So this definitely passes my MagSafe test. So rest assured, this is going to be just as adequate as any other MagSafe case. And then we got our little wireless charging pad. So got my little Xiaomi one right here. So as we plug that up, we just put it on there. Voila, there it is. It is charging wirelessly. So all in all, this is, to me, this is a 10 out of 10. Because you got all three elements here. You got the MagSafe, you got adequate protection, and the color is good, and then it does wireless charging pretty good. No obstructions. It's protected. I do have a glass case on there, so if you didn't have a glass case on this phone, you would have a little bit more lip protection. But who doesn't have an iPhone without a tempered glass case to protect you? All right, so that was the navy blue case. So everything else is going to follow suit because they're exact same case, just in different colors. So in this portion of the show, we're just going to show what the iPhone 16 Pro looks like in different colors. So we're going to open up our next one, which is the berry. Once again, it's $20 on Amazon's website. You can click the link below. You can see that, and then voila. And this is the berry color. Now, I would say the only difference for the most part, other than the back color, you do have rubber inside right here that is red. So I would say berry red, or it looks more bloody red. So berry red on the back. And then you have, just kind of like this darker red lip that's surrounding it. And I would say this one's pretty good. So if you're really into red, this is a very good case for you to have. And it stands out. So whenever you're out there in the world and you want to be different with your iPhone, you can just pop out with one of these Crave cases in the berry colorway. So adequate protection. Looks good. Looks good compared to the navy. So I don't have to really do the test because they're pretty much the same case. So everything's going to work out perfectly. And that one is the berry case. And last but not least, we have the sage. For those who don't want a lot of color and they just want a little bit of case protection with a little bit of craftiness, you got the sage. Now this one is kind of a tint of green. At first it looks like it's gray, but it's more green. That's therefore, the sage moniker there. All right, so I'll slap that on there, and as you can see, it is adequately protected per the previous cases that we just viewed. And you can see the lip is not black, it's not red, it is green. Okay, so everything is protected. You got your USB-C port, you got your speakers out. All of the buttons are very clicky. And then you got a black button on the side over here. I didn't even check this out. So on all of them, they pretty much have black buttons, but they all have three different colors in the lip. So just keep that in mind for a little bit of effect. And I would say this is pretty good. I would really like the Sage version. I usually go for like a green with Crave because it usually looks good on any phone. So that's just my opinion and my 2 cents on it. But let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Let me know, and don't forget to like, subscribe. But with Crave, I get 10 out of 10, all the cases. Anyways, thank you for spending some time with me. And don't forget to like and subscribe once again. Peace.